Hey guys, so I'm going to quickly go over how to convert between percents and fractions and decimals. So if I have a percentage like 35%, the term percent has, of course, cent in it. Well, cent, whenever we see it, so if I'm talking about like a century or whatever, it's talking about 100. So like if I have 100 pennies in a dollar, I have cent, right? I call it, if I have 35 and change, I have 35 cents. So that means I have 35 out of a dollar. So this means I have 35 out of 100. So going from a percent to a fraction is really easy. You just write the percentage over 100. Now, if I want to take my fraction and convert it to a decimal, or my percent and convert it to a decimal, I use that same mindset. So when I have decimal numbers, so my first two places after the decimal place have a specific place value. So the first one is the tenths, and then the second one is the hundredths. And again, I'm relating this back to 100 because percent means out of 100. So if I look in the hundredths place, whatever is here, I can write that number. So if I have 0.35, I can write what's there as 35 out of 100. So again, converting between the fraction and decimal form is really easy. Also, another way you can do it is just move the decimal place or multiply and divide by 100. So if I have 35%, my decimal place is here. I'm going to move it 2 to the left. So I'm going to 2 left. So 0.35. Or I could just divide it. That looks like percent. Let me make. I could divide it by 100. So you can either move the decimal 2 places to the left or divide the number by 100 to go from percent to decimal. Now, and if I'm going to erase this, so if you want to write that, pause the video. I'm going to go decimal to percent. And I'm going to do the exact opposite of what I did before. So if I have a decimal like 0.35, I'm going to move the decimal 2 to the right. Or I could just multiply 0.35 times 100 and it'll give me 35, and I add the percent sign. Alright guys, hope that helps.